Hello friends, this is Mahesh Pathak and welcome to Pathak's Microbiology Academy. In this lecture we are going to learn about very important molecule of our cell, which is mRNA. Okay, so what is mRNA and why do we require this molecule inside our cell? So let us first understand the structure of mRNA and then we will see what are the functions of mRNA. Okay, so here you can see the linear structure of mRNA, and there are sequence of 3 nucleotides which are termed as codons. Okay, here you can see the linear structure of mRNA, and on this mRNA there are sequences of 3 nucleotides which are termed as codons. So there are codons present on mRNA, which is here is first, here second, here third and fourth. So in this way there are codons are present on the mRNA. After that, here you can see the 5' end of the mRNA, and after that the first codon, which is AUG codon, is the start or initiation codon from which the protein synthesis begins. Okay, so here you can see the initiation codon from which the protein synthesis will get started, and here you can see the 3' end of the mRNA, and this is also on the 3' end the last codon is also termed as termination codon, from which the protein synthesis gets stopped or get terminated. Okay, so here is the basic overview of the structure, and generally the termination codon is of UAA or UAG or UGA, and the start codon is AUG, mostly AUG. In exceptions there can be GUG codon is also as a start codon. So first of all, why do we require mRNA molecule inside our cell? So as the name suggests, mRNA, which is the messenger RNA, messenger. So mRNA is a type of non-genetic RNA which plays a main function in the protein synthesis and carries a message from DNA to ribosomes to synthesis of the polypeptide. Okay, so as it carries a message from DNA to ribosomes, we name it as mRNA molecule. Okay, so how it carries the message from DNA to ribosomes? In these codons. Okay, so each codon is specifies for the particular type of amino acids. So let's say this is the AUG codon, which is initiation codon. It will code for a particular type of amino acid. Let's say generally AUG code for methionine. So each codon codes for particular type of amino acid in the process of protein synthesis. So that's the function of codons, and codons will bind with anticodon of tRNA. The structure of tRNA and what is anticodon we will learn in this lecture of tRNA. But let's keep in mind that these codons will pair with anticodons of the tRNA. So let's say this is the codon AUG, its anticodon will be its complementary A to uracil to adenine gone into cytosine. So this will be UAC will be the anticodon. On which molecule anticodon is present? It is tRNA. Okay, so tRNA will bring a particular type of amino acid, which is methionine in this case, and it will bind its anticodon to codons of the mRNA. Okay, and bring one amino acid, next codon, next tRNA, next amino acid. In this way the message will be transferred from proteins, from DNA to proteins. So this is the structure and the functions of mRNA. I hope this is clear to you. Very simple structure, linear molecule is of mRNA. So I hope this is helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much.